This is the most connected generation in human history. Children can now speak to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Yet somehow, they became more alone than ever before.
Not long ago, childhood sounded different. Streets were louder,
Playgrounds were alive, and friendship existed beyond screens.
childhood was not watched, it was lived.
Ready? Here it comes! This is the Potters!
Just real voices and real laughter that echoed through the streets.
Happiness was not downloaded. A rainy day felt like freedom was the biggest playground in the world. Childhood was never about expensive things. It was about presence.
Human connection. And maybe that is what this generation misses most.
Friendship didn't need Wi-Fi. It needed time.
And hearts that stayed close. Even after the sun went down.
Today, childhood still exists, but it feels different. Thousands of voices, yet complete silence in the room. They are connected more than ever before. Somehow, they feel less seen, less heard, and less understood. Modern apps are not designed to protect children. They are designed to capture attention. Every swipe, every notification, every short video trains the brain to crave constant stimulation.
The same streets that once echoed with laughter now only remember it.
Childhood has not disappeared. It has simply changed its shape. But one truth remains unchanged. Every child still needs to feel and loved.
Because no generation is lost until it is understood.
This generation learned how to perform happiness before learning how to understand sadness. Many children today are surrounded by people online, but feel emotionally invisible in real life. What happens when a generation forgets how to truly connect? What happens when children stop feeling understood?
When silence becomes normal and loneliness becomes invisible?
But loneliness is not permanent. Human hearts still heal through real connection.
The sun feels so warm again.
A conversation, a hug, a shared meal, a parent truly listening. This generation is not weak. It is overwhelmed,
Overstimulated.
emotionally exhausted. And maybe the greatest thing we can give children today is reminding them they are not alone.
And sometimes, all it takes is someone who cares enough to notice.
If you liked this video, kindly subscribe to Dr. Square Animations for more meaningful animated stories.